Right here is the real 1020 payout I received from impact.com, and in this video I'm not just going to show you the proof. I will walk you step by step through exactly how I earn it, the funnel I use, and how you can replicate it. Stay with me until the end of this video because I will even share a free sweet file you can use to copy my strategy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben Power, and on this channel I share transparent step-by-step strategies for affiliate marketing and online income. No hype, just real results and tutorials you can use today. In April, impact.com paid me $1,020, and I know many of you want to see the exact process, so let's jump right into it. First, here is the official payout email and my dashboard balance here. You can see the clear commission right here. Now let me break down where the money came from, which brand I promoted, the type of content I created, and the traffic source that brought the clicks and conversions. Then I will map it all as a simple funnel you can copy. Here is the exact funnel I use. I created a profile that matched what brands want, a professional description, logo, and linked social media accounts. I applied only to brands I knew I could promote. In my case, I choose self-care niche that pays per sign up. I made simple tutorial style videos and blog posts showing the importance of brands and promoting. At the end of each video and blog post, I gave call to action. Example, take the first link in the description to try it yourself. My main traffic came from YouTube. Each video has SEO keywords in the title and description. I also repurpose those videos into shorts to get more reach. The affiliate link led to a landing page I built with a short intro and call to action button. That boosted trust and improved clicks. Now here is the most part people don't share, the actual scripts I use. At the start of my video, I use this simple 3-line opener. Number 1, state the benefits. Number 2, show your proof. Number 3, give call to action. This combination worked like magic because it was short, direct, and trust building. And you are not paying anything to try it out, since the brand I'm promoting are paying per sign up. Once the person sign in, I get paid. I put this exact script along with my funnel template in the sweet file. You will find the link in the pinned comment and description below. Now let me be transparent. It wasn't all perfect. My first few videos and blog posts didn't get much traction because I didn't optimize the thumbnails and the titles. I also wasted time applying to brands that weren't a good fit. But here is the lesson. Once I focused on one niche and I started creating consistent content, the results scaled fast. That's why this $1,020 payout happened. So that is the full breakdown of how I made $1,020 on impact.com. Now it is your turn. Download the sweet file in the pinned comment. Watch my next video where I show you how you can create your own impact.com account and get approved fast. And of course, hit that subscribe button now and turn your notification bells because I'll be running a 30-day challenge to scale from $1,020 to $5,000, and you won't want to miss it.